A nurse's story. The alarm on my pager goes off. I run down the hallway. My heart beats fast. I see a young boy on a stretcher. He is pale and bleeding. Stay calm, I tell myself. I can do this. I open the door to the emergency room. I see a young boy on a stretcher. His face is pale, and he is bleeding. Doctors and nurses are working quickly to save him. Stay calm, I tell myself. I can do this. I put on my gloves and mask. I join the team around the boy. What happened, I ask. He fell from a tree, a doctor says. We need to stop the bleeding. I press a cloth on the boy's wound. He looks at me with scared eyes. It's okay, I say. You will be all right. The boy's breathing is shallow. I hold his hand. Stay with us, I think. I am scared, but my hands are steady. Minutes pass like hours. Finally, the doctor nods. He's stable, he says. He is going to be all right. I stand up and take a deep breath. I smile at the boy. You're very brave, I whisper. Good job, everyone, the doctor says. We all nod, tired but happy. I walk back down the hallway. My heart is still beating fast, but now it's with pride. I know I chose the right career for me. My name is Anna. I am a nurse. I love my job. When I was a little girl, I wanted to help people. My mother was sick when I was young, and nurses took care of her. They were kind and gentle, and I wanted to be like them. That is why I became a nurse. There are many good things about my job. I help sick people get better every day. When patients smile and say, "Thank you," it makes me happy. I meet people from all walks of life, and I learn a lot from them. Every day is different. Sometimes, I help a baby take its first breath. Other times, I comfort a family who has lost a loved one. It is a job full of emotion and meaning. But nursing is not easy. It is a very stressful job. I have many patients to look after. On a busy day, I might care for 20 or more people. Each one needs my attention. Some need medicine, some need to be washed, and some just need someone to talk to. I have to remember everything and do it all carefully. If I make a mistake, it could hurt someone. That thought is always on my mind. It makes me feel afraid sometimes. But I remember why I chose this job. I want to help people feel better. One of the hardest parts of my job is emergencies. When a patient is very sick or badly hurt, I need to work fast. Last week, a boy came in after a car accident. He was badly injured. My hands were shaking. But we saved him. It is not always like that. Sometimes, we can save a patient, and it feels like magic. Everyone works together, doctors, nurses, and staff. When the patient wakes up or smiles, it's like a reward for all the hard work. Those moments make me feel proud and happy. But not every story has a happy ending. There are times when we do everything we can, but it's not enough. We lose the patient, and it's very hard. I think about their family and how sad they must feel. I wonder if there was something more I could have done. When I go home after a day like that, it's not easy to forget. I see the faces of the patients in my mind. I think about the ones we couldn't save. I often cry. I try to remind myself that I am doing my best. I talk to my coworkers and share my feelings. They understand because they feel the same way. It helps to know I am not alone. Being a nurse is not easy, but I know this is my purpose in life. I want to help people, even if it's hard for me. The good days, when we save someone, make the bad days worth it. The long shifts are another challenge. Sometimes, I work 12 hours. Often, I work at night. The hospital never sleeps, and sometimes, neither do I. Working at night is hard. My body is tired. But I have to stay awake and alert. I remember one night, at 3 a.m., we had 11 patients come in. I was exhausted by the end of the night. My feet hurt, and my eyes were heavy. But I felt proud. I helped people. When I go home in the morning, the sun is rising, but all I want to do is sleep. Sometimes, I find it hard to fall asleep during the day. My body feels confused, and I wake up often. I live with two other nurses, Lily and Maria. We met in nursing school. Living together helps us. Our house is full of laughter and stories from the hospital. On our days off, we go shopping. We try new restaurants. Sometimes, we watch movies. We also invite friends over. These times help us relax. But I am often tired, and I need to rest. Sometimes, it is hard to have a good work and life balance. Even with the stress, I love being a nurse. It is not just a job, it is who I am. Helping others gives my life purpose. I know I make a difference in the world, even if it is just a small one. When I see a patient get better, I feel proud. When I comfort someone who is scared, I feel strong. Being a nurse is not for everyone, but it is for me. I make a difference in people's lives. I comfort them when they are scared. I celebrate with them when they get better. I work with a great team of doctors and nurses. We support each other. It feels like a big family. If you want to be a nurse, it is not easy. But it is worth it. You will face challenges. But you will also find joy. You will make a difference. And you will grow as a person. I stand by the hospital bed, holding my breath. The machines beep softly, and the patient's chest rises and falls slowly. I have just given him medicine. My hands are steady, but my heart beats fast. This is what being a nurse feels like, a mix of calm and worry. I check the patient's chart again. I make sure the medicine is the right amount and given at the right time. It is my job to help the patients get better, and I want to do everything perfectly. I take a deep breath and remind myself that I am trained for this. Outside the room, the hospital is busy. I hear people talking and footsteps in the hallway. Nurses, doctors, and staff are moving quickly, helping patients and checking charts. It feels like a small world where everyone is working together to save lives. Yes, being a nurse is hard. Yes, I work long hours and often miss family events. But when I see a patient smile or hear a simple thank you, I know it is worth it. I remember the first time I wore my uniform. I felt proud and a little nervous. Now, after many days and nights of hard work, I feel stronger. I know I can handle this job. As I stand by the bed, I smile. The patient is resting peacefully. I feel tired, but also thankful. This is the life I chose, and I wouldn't change it for anything.